My name is Gracie and I'm here live from the time machine. I just wanted to remind you that this news is the only news coming to the time machine. As you can see, I'm here with Echoes, Les Prince, and Travis. They're on an important mission to kill the T-Rex. As you can see, they've already killed it. What was your reaction, Echoes, when you saw the dinosaur?
I felt very scared whenever I saw the dinosaur, and I just panicked as soon as I saw it.
Thank you, Echoes. How did you feel when you saw the dinosaur, Travis?
I'm just amazed. Every time I come see dinosaurs, I just think they're so beautiful. People see them as big, scary monsters, but I just think they're beautiful.
Wow, most people in the world are scared of them. I'm surprised there's someone that's not scared of them.
Now that Eccles got the bullets out of the dinosaur, let's go back to the time machine.
Is this the time machine?
Yes, this is the time machine to get us back to time before, and let's get in, everybody.
Echoes, did you go off the path? Is that mud on your shoes?
Yeah, I got off the path, but there's just a little mud on my shoes, but it couldn't affect the future.
Okay, everybody, let's go back inside out of the time machine. Why does this room look different? It doesn't look the same as it did when we first got here.
It does look different. The sign on the wall is different.
Les Prince, what do you think has happened?
I don't know. It could have been anything. We could just be out of it from the time machine.
Echoes, do you think you could have accidentally been kicking up dirt when you got off the path?
No, there's no way. I just got a little bit of dirt on my shoes, but that's not a big deal.
Eccles, just to make sure you haven't stepped on anything, check on the bottom of your shoes and rub around the dirt to see if you stepped on anything.
What's this?
What is this?
It looks like you stepped on something.
I don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing there.
Right here.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm trying to get dirt off of it so we can see it.
Oh no!
I'm gonna kill you, Eccles. My gun is ready.
You won't believe this, people, but Echoes has stepped on a butterfly. He has changed the future.
It's too small to change anything in the future. Who won the presidential election yesterday?
Rooster did. He makes a way better president than Keith.
Oh no!
What?
I know.
Say that.
There's something. It's too small to change anything. It couldn't have.
There's two this way to change the future. We told you before we got in the time machine. If you go off the path and step on anything, then it will change the future.
Travis, this isn't a big deal. The government won't charge anymore. It's just a butterfly.
No, there's nothing that we can do. The government's going to charge us more money because of you, Eccles.
Please don't kill me.
Travis, it's okay. We don't need to kill him.